Most architects are using AI for renders, but they're missing out on something that's much more interesting. A lot of people are still using AI to create pretty renders and concept images, but after OpenAI has released GPT Image 2 about a month ago, things have taken a turn because this model can actually help you create stunning architectural diagrams. I've been experimenting with GPT Image 2 for the past few weeks, and the results were quite surprising. So in this video, I'll walk you through 5 different ways architects and designers can use this model to create architectural diagrams more faster and more creatively. I'm Salman, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. You can create these images directly inside ChatGPT, but you will have restrictions with the number of images if you're on a free plan. Today, everyone has access to AI tools, and anyone can create realistic renders in minutes. But realistic does not always mean compelling, right? What most people are missing today, it's not exactly the tools, but how do you actually convey an emotion and a feeling through an image? Not which tool or what prompt, but how do you actually build a repeatable workflow? And that is what the AI Visualization Mastery course is built around. We went through a lot of your comments on this channel and built workflows that are practical for day-to-day architectural use cases. Exteriors, interiors, and master plans, creating consistent lighting and materials across views, making specific edits in the renders, and using AI not just to render but as a design thinking tool. This course also comes with a PDF of 130 plus prompt combinations, so you don't really need to start anything from scratch. And this course is available in 20 plus languages, making it easy for everyone to follow. And it currently has 70 plus architects as part of the course community. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this course today. I asked AI to dissect an entire city based on architectural data, and the results were quite stunning.
This is the prompt that we'll be using. I know that this looks like a lot, but we are not just generating a simple image, but a highly detailed infographic with a lot of layers. We've created this prompt using Claude and ChatGPT itself, and all the other details will work for almost any city in the world. The prompt basically talks about the composition of the image, the different analysis layers like the geography, density, movement, social and economic geography, and it also specifies what kind of style to create the infographic in. These prompts will be added as a PDF and you can access them from the link in the description. So let's copy the prompt, start a new chat in ChatGPT. You can choose create an image, and here we can choose between different thinking models. Let's go with an extended model, and the thinking effort is chosen as extended. Let's paste the prompt here, and for the city type Dubai. Let's click run. We have the result, and let's now take a deeper look at it. The quality of this image must be a 2K resolution, but we can upscale them if we want. On a wider look, this is a really stunning poster. This has produced the 6 layers that we've specified on the prompt, and all of these layers are neatly color coded, and all of them have great readability and legibility. The bottom layer is the urban fabric. We have legends and a short description for each of these layers as well. We have spotlights of different neighborhoods with nice key plans and short descriptions. Creating a poster like this manually would take hours. The same prompt formula can work for any major city in the world.
Imagine being able to compress hundreds and thousands of years of architectural history into one single diagram.
This is the prompt that we'll be using. We're asking it to create a professional architectural diagram collage, and we can insert a specific city right here. We are asking it to illustrate the transformation of the urban fabric, street networks, public spaces, architecture, culture, and the historic periods. We're specifying the styles as layered maps, architectural sketches, imagery, figure ground diagrams, and a lot of different variations to make the map more interesting. Let's copy this, paste it inside ChatGPT. This time, let's choose a landscape format, and for the city, let's maybe do New York. Click run to begin. We now have a highly detailed architectural presentation board. The presentation talks about the evolution of the city starting from 1600s and talks about all the major events related to the city. The diagrams and visuals are created in a really nice watercolor style. Down below, we have the evolution of the map along with legends, and this has created a figure ground map at each subsequent evolution. We have the present land use mentioned right here, and we also have the evolution of the entire skyline of New York. Down below are numbers giving the population, density, building heights, and more. Overall, this is a very insightful urban presentation graphic.
If you're tired of hyper-realistic architectural renders, you need to try this post-digital architecture collage technique with AI.
Let's use this rendering and try transforming this into a post-digital collage. This is the prompt that we'll be using. We are specifying it to be a poetic, mixed media, architectural collage. We're giving it different styles to follow, different cutouts to add into the image, textures and materials to be added, collage elements and details, and also a mood for the image. Let's copy it, add the base rendering on new chat on ChatGPT, and just paste the prompt. We can choose auto ratio, and this will retain the exact proportions of the image. And let's run the prompt. And there we have it. The same rendering with the same exact details has now been transformed into a collage style illustration. I really like the details of the image and how the collage effect has been implemented on almost all the surfaces on the image. This is a style that's been really less explored in the recent times, and most architects are switching to realistic styles. So make sure to use this style on your next presentation.
This might be the fastest way to create a figure ground map.
Let's look for a location on Google Earth. Let's save this as an image. This is the prompt that we'll be using, and this says to convert this Google Map screenshot into a clean architectural figure ground map. We've also specified the exact style to remove the icons and UI from the map, solid black buildings and clean white spaces. Let's copy this. Let's add the screenshot on a new chat and also paste the prompt. The aspect ratio can be in auto, and let's click run. There we have the output, and this has produced a really clean, showing the buildings as well as the roadways. You can download the image, open the image in Illustrator, and you can use the image trace option, and we'll be able to create a clean vector map from this. We can of course use this for site analysis diagrams or creating master plans. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a detailed video on creating master plans with this technique.
Use this technique to create exploded views of any famous monument.
This is the prompt that we have, and this specifies to create a highly detailed exploded architectural diagram, and you can insert the name of any building here. We're asking it to separate the building vertically in its construction layers and show foundations, structural systems, walls, floors and columns, all of this to be in a museum quality architectural illustration. So let's copy this, start a new chat. Let's maybe do Taj Mahal. The aspect ratio can be in portrait, because we are emphasizing vertical elements in the image. Click run for the results. And there we have the output. The platform researches all the different techniques of construction used for this specific monument, and it creates an exploded diagram incorporating the materials and techniques. This can be a really helpful workflow for students studying the history of architecture. We also have facts and data about the monument, the legend for various materials, different levels of key plan, and the stunning exploded diagram of all the different elements in Taj Mahal. The same workflow can be used for creating any monument, and all you need to do is to just edit the prompt and mention the monument that you want.
So those are some really powerful and practical ways to use the new GPT Image 2 to create stunning architectural diagrams. Make sure to check out the AI Visualization Mastery course from the link in the description. We hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. We are just about to reach 100k followers, and your support would mean a lot. You can follow me on Instagram, and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.